grade 10, unit 10. So about chemical bonds. So last class we studied about the ionic bonds, the bond forming between ions, that is positive and negative ions. Today we are going to see covalent bonds. Covalent bonds means the bonds formed between the atoms, not ions, atoms. Joining of atoms by sharing electron. That is two atoms going to share electrons and making bond. That is the covalent bond. So I am going to explain you one by one. The first one, hydrogen gas. So when you take hydrogen gas, there's H2. So there are two hydrogen atoms making bond. So the hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration is 1. That means only the hydrogen has one orbit. The maximum electrons can be remain 2. So the hydrogen needs one more electron to complete the orbit. So this hydrogen also same. So when hydrogen needs one more electron, this hydrogen should give this electron to share. Then only it will get one electron from the other atom. So how many electrons they need, they have to give the same number of electrons to share. Then only they will get the electrons. So here the hydrogen needs one more electron to complete the orbit. Therefore this hydrogen should give this electron to share. So the same way here. So when you are drawing here, no equation or nothing, only the diagram. So the two hydrogen atoms we have to draw like this. This is the orbit. So one electron is there. So it is going to share this electron. So the sharing electrons we have to mark inside this region. Right? Here one electron sharing. This hydrogen sharing one electron with this hydrogen, because this hydrogen also needs one more electron. So it is going to share this electron. So that also you have to write here. So here what happened? The sharing electrons only we are marking inside this region. So what happened? So this hydrogen has now 2 electrons. This hydrogen also having 2 electrons. That means the 2 electrons are common to both atoms. So when you are writing the structure, so the one pair of electrons sharing, you have to mark one line. This line indicate the sharing electrons pair 1. That is one pair of electrons are sharing. So this is the structure. So now next example, now we say oxygen, O2. Right, O2. So you know the oxygen, two oxygen atoms making oxygen gas. So the oxygen atomic number is 8. So electronic configuration is 2, 6. So you have to take only the valence electrons because the internal orbit is completed. So valence electrons only making bond. So what happened? The 6 electrons are there. So the oxygen needs 2 more electrons to complete the orbit, because it should come 8, right? So 2 more electrons are needed. So when the oxygen needs 2 more electrons, this oxygen should give 2 electrons out of this to share. Out of 6, it has to give 2 electrons to share. Then only it will get 2 more electrons. The same way here also 2 electrons. So when you are drawing like this oxygen atoms, only we are marking the valence shell, right, orbit. So the oxygen has 6 electrons. So when it needs 2 more electrons, it has to give 2 electrons out of 6. So that 2 electrons we have to mark inside here, the other 4 electrons outside. So out of 6, it is going to share 2 electrons to get 2 more electrons from the other atoms. So what is happening? It is going to share 2 electrons. That 2 electrons here we have to mark, the other 4 outside. The same way here also the oxygen needs 2 more electrons. So the 2 electrons marking here, the other 4 outside. Now you can notice this orbit 2, 4, 4, 8. Altogether 8 electrons completed. Here also 8 electrons. So these 4 electron is common to both, sharing. So how many pairs sharing? 2 pairs. Therefore 2 lines. Structure. The same way nitrogen gas N2. So the nitrogen 7, atomic number 7, 2, 5. So it needs 3 more electrons to share. Right? 3 more electrons are needed to become stability, 8. So it has to give 3 electrons out of 5 to share. So what happened when you are drawing like this, 2 orbits, valence orbit. So out of 5, we have to indicate 3 electrons inside. So out of 5, 2 outside. Nitrogen has only 5 electrons in the valence shell, 3 electrons sharing, 2 outside. Here also 9, this nitrogen, out of 5, 3 sharing, 2 outside. So 3 pairs of electrons shared by 2 nitrogen atoms. So here how many electrons are here? 8. Here also 8. So the 3 pairs of electrons sharing. So we have to write 3 lines between nitrogen atoms. So this is the structure. Same way when you take chlorine, Cl2. So you know the chlorine 17 atomic number 287. So what happened? The 1 more electron is needed. 1 more electron to become 8. So out of 7, 1 electron is going to share. The other 6 outside. So out of 7, 1 you have to indicate here. The other 6 outside. Here also 7, 1 is inside, 6 outside. So when you count this 8, here also 8. So 1 pair of electron sharing, therefore 1 line. So now this is the bond formation between 2 atoms. Now we are going to see 3 or 4 atoms. Now here see. Here water. You know the water H2O. H2O means 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So the oxygen atomic number 8, 2, 6. So the oxygen needs 2 more electrons. 2 hydrogens are there, 1 electron. So each need 1 more electron. So out of 6, 2 electrons going to share. So that out of 2, 1 going to share with this hydrogen, the other one this hydrogen. Right? So you have to draw the oxygen middle hydrogen. So the hydrogen has only 1 electron. It is going to share with electron in oxygen here. The other hydrogen also sharing 1 electron. The same number of electrons only sharing between 2 atoms. The other 4, out of 6 only 2 going to share. The other 4 is without sharing. It is outside, you have to draw. So when you take the oxygen 8 electrons, here hydrogen 2, because hydrogen has only 1 orbit. So here the 4 electrons are not making bond. So due to that polarity you will study later in this chapter. So the electrons, the middle atom has electrons without making bond. So the structure will come little bit angle like this, not straight. So oxygen with this hydrogen 1 pair sharing, with this hydrogen 1 pair. So 1 line you have to draw like this. Now see ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. That means 3 nitrogen with 3 hydrogen atoms, NH3. 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So here nitrogen 2, 5. So it needs 3 more electrons. So that 3 electrons going to share with these 3 hydrogens. Right? So here the nitrogen has 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in external orbit. So it needs 3 more electrons. So out of 5, 3 making bond with 3 hydrogen. So 1 electron with this hydrogen, the other one with this, the other one this hydrogen. So the 2 electrons are not making bond. Out of 5, only 3 only making bond, 2 is not making bond. So when you are writing this structure, you have to write like this: nitrogen, 3 hydrogen. You have to write like this because due to this polarity, that means 2 electrons are without making bond, 1 pair electrons are sharing with 3 hydrogens. Now methane, that is CH4. Look at here, methane. So the methane, carbon 6 2 4. So you know the carbon needs 4 more electrons. Therefore, this all 4 is going to making bond, that is sharing electrons. So 4 out of that is 4, it needs 4 more electrons to complete the orbit. Therefore, this whole electrons going to share with 4 hydrogens. So carbon atom 4 electrons, hydrogen here like this 4. So 1 1 1 pair. So you have to draw this structure like this because no, without making bond any electrons are there. That means all 4 electrons are making bond. The structure is straight structure. Then carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is carbon 2 oxygen, CO2. So here carbon 6 2 4, oxygen 6 6. So the carbon needs 4 more electrons, oxygen needs 2 electrons. So out these 4 electrons are making bond with the all 4 electrons are going to make bond. So 2 with this oxygen, 2 with this oxygen. So when you write the electronic configuration like this, you can identify how many electrons are going to share. So here the carbon middle atom, 2 oxygen both sides. So the carbon out of 4 electrons, 2 with this oxygen, 2 with this oxygen. Here see 2 2. Oxygen out of 6, it needs 2. So the 2 will make bond, the other 4 outside. So when you are right, the sharing electrons always equal between 2 atoms. When the carbon gives 2 electrons, oxygen also give 2 electrons. So other 4 outside. So only oxygen needs only 2. So other 4 outside. So here when you take 8 electron, here also 8, here also 8. All atoms are completed. The external orbit is completed. So when you write the structure, carbon 2 pairs with this oxygen, 2 lines, 2 pairs with this oxygen. So the carbon, the all 4 electrons are making bond. Therefore, this is the straight molecule. So this is the way of explaining the covalent bond. So next one we are going to see Lewis structure. Lewis structure means there are 3 types, three ways you can write the Lewis structure. One is Lewis dot cross diagram, then Lewis dot diagram, Lewis structure. So the Lewis dot cross diagram means the same thing, I explained to you the same. Now we say carbon dioxide, same way you have to put this dot and cross but no, you are not drawing this orbit, right? So here see the carbon dioxide. So the one that is different element, the atoms of elements we have to mark with different. One is with cross, the other one with dot. Now the carbon we are denoting with cross and the oxygen dots. That means same thing, no orbit. Just here see the same way we have to mark the dot cross diagrams. The ammonia also the same way. Ammonia, the 3 hydrogens, dot cross like that, 2 outside. Here see 2 outside, the other one dot cross diagram, no orbit. That is the Lewis dot cross diagram. So the one element you mark with dot, the other one cross. Lewis dot diagram, same thing, instead of cross also we have to put dot, all dots. The electrons we mark with only with dots. So here 4 electrons, 4 dots. Like that you have to mark. Here also ammonia, instead of dot, the cross we are marking with dot. All electrons are denoted with dots. That is the Lewis dot diagram. And the other one, just they ask Lewis structure. The bond electrons we have to mark with line. Now we say here 2 pairs of electrons are making sharing. So we have to mark with 2 lines. 2 pairs, 2 lines. Here also 2 pairs, 2 lines. The electrons which are not making bond, we have to mark with dot. The ammonia also the same thing. Here making 1 pair, they are sharing, so lines, and 2 electrons are not making bond, so that we have to mark with dot. Right, that's the Lewis structure. So the other molecules also you can draw and see, right? Now after the bond formation, all atoms in molecules complete their external orbit with 8 electrons except hydrogen atom. You know the hydrogen atom has only 1 orbit. The maximum electrons, 2 electrons can be filled there. So the other than hydrogen, the other all atoms in the molecule has 8 electrons after they make bond. But some exceptions are here given. Just you can see that exceptions. Now we say aluminium chloride. Aluminium atomic number 13, 283. So the 3 electrons are in the external orbit, and it makes bond with 3 chlorines. The 3 electrons of aluminium making bond with chlorine. So you know the chlorine has 7. It needs only 1. So the 1 will make bond. The other 6 are outside. So here the chlorine is completed with 8 electrons, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bond, this line shows 1 pair. So 8. Here also 8. But aluminium, 3 lines means 3 pairs. So altogether 6 electrons. Aluminium has 6 electrons in the external orbit, not 8. So that is exception. The phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, penta means 5. So the phosphorus atomic number 15. So 15 means 285. That means the external orbit, phosphorus has 5 electrons. So the all 5 electrons making bond with 5 chlorines. Right, the chlorine gets 8 electrons, but phosphorus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One line shows 1 pair of electrons. So altogether 10 electrons are there. No, 8 electrons, right? So that is some exception. That means the external orbit is not completed with 8 electrons. The other one, atomic lattice. That means lattice, the atoms are the covalently bonded. The many atoms are covalently bonded and making the giant molecule, that is the lattice. So here atomic lattice, when the lattice is made by atoms, that is atomic lattice. Then lattices are made with ions, that is ionic lattice. That day we studied example sodium chloride, but this is atomic lattice. So atomic lattice made with covalent bonds. So here example graphite, this is the structure of graphite and the diamond. Sometimes they will give the structure and ask you what is the molecule, right? Graphite and diamond. So up to this, that is the covalent bond.